Backtesting every day until unprofitable day 470. Yep. Gonna do the freestyling strategy again. May is just crazy, man. Let's see if I can continue that. Let's open up everything. 20th of May. Did I take this trade? Check. No, I did not. Okay. Oh yeah, that's outside my kill zone. Gonna go to 21st of May then. Also trading Golden session there. This is still busy. Higher time frame I would say is bullish, but we're still trading lower. If we do want to be bullish, then there should be erection higher leg right away because we took liquidity here. I don't see any reason for us to go lower than that. So otherwise, I would say we're just bearish then. Which I'm actually leaning towards bearish because I don't know, just have a feeling. It's looking a bit more bearish than bullish. Yeah, if we are bullish, we should get reaction like almost instant. So let's check. We do have a lot of very clean highs, so let's see what you want to do. Here, take the equal lows. Clean highs here. Yes, the clean lows. I don't see anything here already. Just look like this is the bullish reaction. All these highs would be drawn liquidity then. T-Benz, yo was wondering why you stopped doing your trade recaps. Man, I keep saying that I should do them again, and I really want to do them again, but I just I don't know why I'm not doing them. I want to do them on the funded accounts. Like right now I don't have any funded, but I have a challenge account which I am trading, but I don't know why I'm not making the trade recaps on that. I just want to have a fresh start on an account and then just follow it from zero, or recap it from zero. But yeah, I should really do it again. I don't know why I'm not doing it, but good question. Hopefully, yeah, I don't know, the account is gonna rebuild. I have to pass it before the 4th, I think, 4th of December, because otherwise it's gonna rebuild. But then otherwise I'll just do it on a challenge account. Where it looks like the channel is dead if you don't look at the live videos. Yeah. Oh, clean ice taken. Oh. Oh, that's so clean. But I don't see anything. No. SMT at the low. Slowly pushing higher. Well, honestly, not too bad. a bit too zoomed in. We do have an SMT. We did have an IFVG, but we already took out the sell side there. I would say like we're not bullish anymore. Yeah, so what is my target then? This already taken this in the first next trial. Yeah, honestly, it's not the best trade. I probably shouldn't even take it. And I don't want to take it. Yeah. SMT here as well. Break even would there be there then. So many SMTs, man. I will just take it. Equalize here, SMT. But I'm not too sure with this one. Are you trading tomorrow? Skipping it because of Black Friday? Is that tomorrow? I didn't even know it was tomorrow, Black Friday, but tomorrow I think the market is even closed. I don't even think you'll be able to trade tomorrow. Today's Thanksgiving, and then tomorrow it's also closed because of that, I think it was. The London session is open, but I don't even think I will be able to trade the session tomorrow. Yeah, no news. Alright, let's see. I'm not too confident with this. Oh, what? What? This is crazy. Yo, we see. Doing great, are you? Backtesting. What is it? The freestyling thing is going so well, man. This month is just crazy. Look at this month. I just took one loss now, man. And what even is this loss? What? What is this loss? Look at this. Oh my. What? Like I have with the actual strategy I'm trading, I have my stop loss always one tick above because of do I have it here? I always have it one tick above because yeah, sometimes you have trades like this where it stops me out on a tick, and then it's worth risking one tick more because when it does run. Oh my god, this is crazy. Maybe I should just do the same thing, exact same thing for this. Because, yeah, the exact same thing happened here. I have it already for my already existing strategy, like the actual strategy I'm trading. I always have my stop loss one tick above. I think it's in this thing. Stop loss from that one always goes. Stop loss from now on always goes with plus one tick above / below, because I've had it before when it was just exactly like this. So I'm gonna do that exact same thing and then take the trade. It's just one tick difference, so yeah, risking then the risk would still be the same actually. But yeah, just one tick higher, and then if I do catch the move, like it would already be 100 times X this one tick stop loss extra out of all the trades. So let me go back and then do the exact same thing for this freestyling strategy. Just one tick, or at least one tick above, just slightly above. Man, this is just crazy. Now I do the exact same thing. Oh no, yeah. And then if I was in this like in real time, then wow. Can't wait for me to take a trade like this one day where I would have been stopped out if it was exactly the high, but one tick above just saved me. Can't wait for that to happen in real time. On the real markets, okay, not there yet. Yeah, okay, same thing. 104 RR. I wouldn't have caught this 104 actually. Wait, let me go back. I wouldn't have caught this fully. because I always take 1 to 2 then 75% off. Yeah, I would have done it like this then. But still, this is wow. $5.21. The results are crazy, insane, man. Yeah. Then so far I've taken 0 losses actually. Because this price action is magnificent. London session 1 minute. SMT yes. 5.21 still barely in my kill zone. Wow. I have it now 5.30. Like before I was 5.15, now 5.30, and then I start the session in New York PM 13.15, and now it's 13. So here we'll say outside kill zone. And I need to do it like this. And then there was no news. 4R, man. Tomorrow market is open, only close early for Amsterdam time zone. 7 p.m. Oh yeah, okay, so only AM session is open. Oh, okay. Time frame is this? Time frame? Maybe. Nice notes. What was it? Oh yeah, the notebook. Thank you. Redstone Euro, what's your risk management plan? When I'm trying to pass an EVA, I'm just moving from CFDs. You come into futures. Trying to pass an eval, 50k. What do you have for drawdown? 3k. Just risk, yeah, just treat it as 3k is your max drawdown. 3k is basically the count that you have. What I do is like I look at my max losing streak in backtesting. Let's say it's 6. Then I add 1 to it, so 7. 7 is then my max losing streak if I look at it that way. And you divide that loss, what you can max get, by 7, and then this is what I can max rate risk per trade. Or 3k, is it? I think it's 2k, sorry. Yeah, this is what you max can risk per trade. Just stay below that or risk this, then you should be good. If you have the data. It's very easy and simple. It's easy and simple, same thing. But what I do for challenges is I used to trade like that. Now on prop firms, like then this would be the case for me. Like max losing streaks then 6. Then this is my max risk, but on a funded account I wouldn't even risk this much. I think I was like 250, 200 that I wanted to risk per trade on that. And then on a challenge account I'm just risking more. I'm risking like 5, 6, 700 per trade. So yeah. Do you go for big RRs if there's a data we can play? Big RRs if there's a data we can play. If we're like going towards it, or what do you mean with that? Okay, still draw would be lower. It's clean draw on liquidity. This is that Wednesday though. Thursday we have the news, 9:45 PMI. Okay, hopefully we have not taken the low yet. What time is this? Oh, here. Fortune. Okay, so now New York opened. I would say higher time frame is bullish again. We did take the low here already. Now then tapping into a higher time frame in efficiency. So if you are bullish, you should get the push. Like yeah, right now. You already got a very nice push. And closing above this. If you are bullish, we should respect this. Yes, looking the same, is it? It's still respecting the CB, but still same thing. I want to see this get disrespected. Then zooming in, we also have 9:45 news, so that's what I'm waiting for. This looks very good, bullish. We never know before news. This is news. Better use the max drawdown rather than losing streak, since you could have 7 losses, 1 win, and then another 3 losses. 7 losses, 1 win, and then another 3 losses. Wait, what do you mean? If you have the 7 losses already, then it's just like if you have so much data in backtesting, like multiple years, and then your max losing streak is 6, and then you get a losing streak of 7 in your challenge account, then that's just really unfortunate. You should start live streaming off all your calls. Man, I did that last week actually, live streaming. I should do it again. It was fun again. If your draw was lower price, for example, and there's a big sell side data wick, would you use that as final TP? Yeah, depends on liquidity. Yeah, actually, yeah. But I would, it depends, really depends. But I could use it as CP. Okay, so draw liquidity higher looks good to me. I don't see any liquidity here internally. Hopefully we don't instantly push higher or instantly push lower. Let's just wait a bit. Oh, okay, we do. Was this 8:30? No, 7. So then I would say higher time frame is bullish because we now tapped into the gap and we got the push higher. So this could be the push higher towards here all again. Oh. Oops. My keyword's still working, yeah. Yeah, this is a mark make model. I don't see any really clean liquidity in here. This would be the only strong liquidity left, but then still it's gonna be just bullish, just looking for longs. Because then expecting us to be pretty bullish. Deal with liquidity here. We didn't take any real liquidity, I would say. Here, but yeah. Just waiting now. There's that high is also. Green trading 1 minute time frame. How you calculate how much contract you're gonna execute? Oh, okay. Depends on what you're using, or yeah. What I do is I have then always a challenge account or funded account on Tradeovate. I've had it on TopStep Access before, but yeah, I basically do the same thing there. So what I do is I go on TradingView, but you must have the data, I think. Otherwise, I don't know how you really want to do it. But yeah, what I do is I look at the NQ chart, but I do trade MNQ. So I would have this on my screen, and I do have a second monitor. But you could also just do it here. Have MNQ here, and like so. Let's say I wanted to long, and I don't know how many contracts I should have with my Tradeovate Challenge funded account. And what I do is I just get the R tool, long or short. This case, long. I want to put my stop loss here, and I want to target, I don't know. Doesn't really matter with the target, but only for the risk, of course. But yeah, when I have my stop loss below here, what I do then is I click on this, left click, right click, create limit order. Just create a paper trade account or log in with your Tradeovate. That's Tradeovate. If you're already connected with Tradeovate with your challenge account, that's the most easiest or the easiest thing to do. I can just use my Tradeovate. Oh. My password doesn't show, right? Okay, let me just do this. Paper trading. Doesn't matter what account size you have. Right click. And then here, I want to risk $500. 27 contracts. Mostly I just do it this, like so. So I know how many contracts it is. And I enter always on a market execution. So let's say there was an IVG. Let's say I wanted to go long on this IVG. I don't know where the candle is going to close. Like this candle is still forming then. I'm just always putting it a bit above because I'm entering with a market execution. Like let's say here. And then I do the same thing. And then I do, okay, I want to risk $500. In this case it would be 66 contracts if we close here. If we close a bit above, then I would risk a bit more. But I would always put it with a slightly above where I think the closure will be, which is subjective. But yeah, in this case, this is how you look. This is how I do it. It's really simple. Now it looks like a lot of contracts I'm using. But this structure is just, yeah, terrible. So the same thing here. Oh yeah, I'm gonna risk 10 contracts. That's $460. Let's do it like this. That's what I do. For platform you trade with right now? Right now, my fund of futures. Oh, and I can't forget to get the accounts either later tonight or tomorrow. I want to get some my fund ticks accounts. Oh shit. Leo just sent something. Black Friday mega deal, 50% off pro accounts. 1 in 10 purchase win a free reset. Wait, how much is it then? $100k payout cap. It's crazy. Yeah, I wanted to get this one. Same thing, just get it on Trade-O-Vate, funding ticks. $45, man. But right now I have one with my Funder Futures. I have a core plan, I think. The cheapest. Have you ever tried using the second charts? I have, yeah, but I don't have the data on TradingView Live. I only looked at it through TopSupX. I can use it on FX Replay as well, but I don't know. I think I would be having. I already think I have a lot of time frames. I think it would be all over the place. That's so helpful, man. Thanks so much. Of course, man. Yeah, no problem. Something I think I just checked. 110. Oh yeah, for the pro version. Okay, okay. Yeah, right now I just want to get a lot of accounts. 50 minutes, busy. They take all these highs internally now. Tap into a higher time frame gap. Yes. Maybe a bit more bearish that wants to go for the sell side here. Like max payout cap, max payout per account on that my funding ticks. What is it even called? Funding ticks is $1,000, but let's say you get 5 accounts, man. Oh, it's all about the capital. Okay, I took the clean lows. I see a sweep here at the highs. Oh, 2 minutes. It's not singular gap. Should be here, another should be here. 2 minutes. Ooh, that's a closure as well. Yeah, I wouldn't say I'm too confident with this. We did take the buy side already. And then we took this sell side here. We took this sell side here, but all these lows are here, and ES is now, yeah, did disrespect this, so I don't trust this for it to go a lot higher yet. Yeah, for the better. Now we have clean ice in here. ES really wants to go for this low, it looks like. Okay, ES took out all those highs. Wow. Do you want to go lower now? Yes, looks like it. Or just a bit choppy now. 2 minutes. I would take a short in this if it forms, and I don't see it forming. Yeah, there's no singular gap in here. We could go lower now though. This outside my kill zone now. Okay, just chop. PM session. See what we did. Nothing really. SMT to highs, and now we have a lot of clean lows, right? This low. ES has very clean lows, and it does look like we want to go instantly lower. Let's zoom in, see some more structure for him, and then the short would be nice. Okay, big push higher as a manipulation, I would be fine with that. Let's see what we're doing now. Are we still respecting all this? I honestly don't know now. I'm gonna wait. Yeah. Waiting. Just trending higher. Yes, it got the high again. Crazy. Yeah, I know we have clean lows, but I don't see anything in this. I think it's too much back and forth. Nothing here. Clean highs taken there. Nothing here. Okay. If you first that, maybe I would have taken the short. But yeah, no trades this entire day. Gonna go to Friday. Medium impact. I'm not gonna trade that entire day. Monday, bank holiday. I'm not trading. Tuesday, only AM session trading. Matt, how many eval tests have you tried? I'm up to 8. Lol, starting a new one December 8. Do your red candles mean you're a short buy? No, my red candles are bullish. Bullish candles. But man, how many evals have I got in total? Man, I don't even know. I don't even know. It's definitely more than 8. It's definitely more than 20 as well. Yo, Jack, how you doing, man? Yeah, let's see. Still pushing lower. Like, I would say higher time frame is bullish. Like, this would be a retracement, but I'm not calling the bottom in this. Like, this is still going lower. I would still look for lower. Even though we could reverse any moment in this higher time frame. I would say create a bit more structure, though. I don't see us instantly pushing higher, but you never know. Oh, this song is good, but it's so massively copyrighted. Even though I don't get anything from YouTube, money wise, it still doesn't like it when I play that song. All right, let's see. Oh, this is Friday. Whoops. Oops. Monday, Tuesday. All right, yeah. And apparently it does look like this wants to be low. Retracement. Push higher. Yeah, this looks very good. Took out the clean highs here though. I would still expect us to go higher again after this. And this would be the low-hanging fruit. I don't really see us going to the low here because we already got the liquidity here. Here, same thing. Either to take bigger, higher, bigger, higher. Just a bigger liquidity target, I would say. Yeah, if we are bullish, we should respect this range. And the highs up top are just very clean. Let's zoom in. Clean highs here at the top. Only AM session trading though this Tuesday because of the news medium. Zooming in. Do you have any really clean lows in this leg? I don't really see it, so looking more internal. Let's see if you want to reverse. Okay, so far no. Okay, maybe now we do. Yes. Wow, definitely. And then this is just a big wick in this leg. Look at that. Very nice. SMT to high. I would still say higher. We do have an SMT at this high now though, but I don't see any reason for us to go lower than... Yeah, lower again. I don't see any reason for us to. So we're gonna also follow just this bullish trend, which I would prefer. So zooming in again, waiting for more structure. Can't take anything yet, nothing here. Nothing here. I don't also see any clean lows. Okay, now finally something forming, but I don't think there'll be any setup in this. To get those highs. See how many yes, and this is now outside my kill zone. So no trades also this day. Gonna go to Wednesday, all day news, and then to PM news. So trading this entire day. Alpha trading this week, bro. Oh man. I took one trade this entire week, and it was a nice W luckily for myself. So yeah, and then today and tomorrow I'm not trading, and today, oh yeah, it was possible to trade, but no trades for me rest of the week. Unfortunate, man. Matty, I usually trade the 2 minute and 5 minute. I'm thinking of using higher time frames to identify trend. Oh yeah, you don't do it now? You only use the 2 minute and 5 minute chart, you mean? I would say some sort of higher time frame analysis, higher time frame. Yeah, analysis is good to have, man. And why not why are you not trading on the 1 minute or like the 3 minute, or just preference? Or yeah, same thing here. I would say bullish, just a retracement. We already took out the liquidity on the CS. Don't see any reason for us to go way lower than this. And then clean highs. Okay. Oh, those look very clean. Oh yeah, long would be so nice. Please don't go higher yet. Oh man, the lows look so clean. Okay, we took clean highs now though. I'd still say higher time frame is still bullish. We even took all-time high as well. So I'm gonna follow this bullish trend. But if it looks really clear, oh no, it's not even all-time highs. What am I saying? Yeah, we do have very clean lows, so maybe we could retrace right after this. Or if we just push higher, then yeah, just gonna follow that trend. Let's see. Hopefully, don't instantly push lower then. Okay. Yeah, and now I honestly don't know. Now it could just consolidate. So waiting a bit more. Yeah, now it's just consolidating a bit, pushing higher, pushing lower. Yeah, I don't see anything in here. Clean lows taken there. Inversion, man, yeah, I don't see anything. This just looks choppy. This does look like it wants to go lower, but man, we're forming a massive trend line in this. So, and we do have an SMT now. So let's see if we do want to go higher. Clean low is taken now. Yeah, honestly, I would take this long. Here, clean ice here. This entire trend line here. I would target. Okay, this maybe not, but here it is. This high is the trend line, and yes, it's a bit higher. Or should I just target the same thing there? There. Yeah, I think this looks good. And now take first and full TP at that 146R, which is that high. With the SMT, higher time frame still being bullish and us leaving all that liquidity behind, I think this wants to go. Stop loss should be one tick below, or just at least one. So right there, just one below, right? Yeah. Yeah. Let's see. I'm going break even. Then where? Nowhere. Clean eyes here. Yeah, I don't see nowhere. I'll just fully let this run then. If you do want to go higher. If you don't want to go higher, I don't know, man. Oh, this looks so bad. Oh my god. This is terrible. Oh my god. Okay, eventually we go there. Damn. 1101. Trend line, liquidity, all taken. I was going to close it if it was getting close to 14 because we have FOMC meeting minutes center. It's not really a folder that gets released like, okay, yeah, boom, dump. It's just a meeting, but yeah, still nice CP, I guess. Man, 100% win rate this month is crazy. What the hell? 1101. This might be my best ever month. I just K trader, day trade with 2 and 5 minutes, sometimes 50 minutes. Yeah. But you don't use the higher time frame for like the where the trend is going, like where price could go to, like what it's looking like, and then zooming in from there. It was choppy. Price actually was choppy, but still was also clean. Choppy and good. Oh. Oh no, it was correct day. Oops. It was a 1 minute entry. Yes, we had an SMT. Entry was at 1101. RR was 1.49. News, we had all day news and we had FOMC meeting minutes. Right there. And that was at 2. Man, this month is crazy. Uh, 16%. It's not even my, not even my best month yet. Man, what is this, man? Wow. April was such a bad month. comparing to this then. What? Gonna continue still a few more days. Wow. Alright, let's go to Thursday, and then Thursday I'm trading the entire day again. This is Ascension Day. Okay. Let's go. Move drawings, move drawings. Alright, nice push, bullish again. So higher time frame daily. Looks like it wants to go for the high here. Yes, also took out the high here. I don't see a reason for us to go way lower. Definitely not to this low. If you are bullish, we should definitely respect this range. That's only from a daily though. I want to zoom in a bit more. Yeah, again, if we are bullish, we should respect this range. Senior busy. I don't see any really clean lows here. Clean liquidity. Maybe here on the S, but that would be way lower. And I don't expect us, like higher time frame is bullish, I don't expect us to do all the way this and then go higher from that again, because we're still bullish for higher time frame. Zooming in, then still on the S, okay, maybe not. Okay, maybe not. It's still. I see this range get respected. That's way lower. If we are bullish, we should respect this tiny range in here. But like this is a pretty big push lower. See, like the liquidity above did already take out the high here as well. I would still follow this bearish. We do have an SMT here. If we are actually bullish, like with this SMT, I would say we should already have the big push higher, but I don't see it reverse from here. We didn't really do anything here. I would say for more internal structure, then a manipulation, then go. So I'd still follow this bearish, even though higher time frame is bullish and we could go crazy higher any moment. Clean lows also here, wow. Here very clean highs taken, SMT at these highs as well. Oh man. Hopefully don't instantly drop lower. Okay. Yeah, still gonna follow this bearish. Took very clean lows now. If we were bullish, then a very clean liquidity taken, push higher now, but we're still pushing lower. So I don't see any reason for us to go way higher now. Like we did the things we had to do, and if we were bullish, it should be right there. So with this bearish push, it could be a big retracement with a deep wick. Yeah, honestly, now it's looking like we want to go lower then. Maybe it is here. Yeah, as I said, I was going to follow the bearish trend anyway. Short-term bearish trend. I did that for stocks, but now I'm new to futures. I've been trying what Clay Trader does. I have a trading view subscription, but I haven't got much use out of it. What are the best uses to get from it? You have the CME data on TradingView, you mean? Do you have that? Do you have the essential plan and the TradingView CME data? Clean eyes here now internally on the yes. So push higher would be nice, and then push lower. It's like a manipulation. I'm not taking any shorts in this. I don't see any high probability setup. Nothing here. Even though yeah, there's a tiny SMT there. Nothing here. Yeah, nothing here. Nothing here. I don't see anything here. Even though we got a nice drop. Kind of clean eyes here now though. No SMT high, so I think we will come back to this. And this is way outside my kill zone, didn't even notice. Okay, yeah, now we went back to that. And we had a big wick lower, push into this low here. And then yeah, like if we are bullish, I also don't see a reason for us to take this low and then go all the way higher again. We totally just disrespected this busy. And then the clean lows would be here on the S. So I'm zooming in again. Ooh, we do have short-term highs here. Maybe short-term highs taken here, these clean highs. And then drop lower from there. Then we're also pushing into a higher time frame SIBI again. Which would be like a 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour SIBI, and then also this inversion. So actually I don't even have to mark it out. It's like this. Okay. So idea, short-term bullish into this high, and then from there go lower again. But probably by that time market already closes when we're here, I would say. But that is the idea. So short-term longs would be good. If we take clean liquidity, like these lows, I would have to see like a nice push lower, yeah, like this. I'm not convinced with this setup yet though. We do have an, okay, wait. We do have an SMT here. 5 minutes, that's looking clean. SMT there. Right there. Clean highs are there, not in here. I don't see clean highs in here, so I don't know. 1 minute. 1321. Oh man, I'm not too confident with this, but I will take it. Is this gonna break the winning streak? And then it should be like 1 tick below. Like we also have clean lows here. I would say like where are the actual stop losses, like 5 minute and here, yeah, also, but I would say rather take out all these lows and then go higher. Even though we do have the SMT closure above. Oh, we already did take the highs here though. Wait, no, I'm not gonna take this. Or I got the swing high here on yes, I did not notice that. Should not be a trade then. So waiting a bit more. Okay, good. Take this low, please, and then go higher. Still this low, man. It's this low. These lows. Take those. Yes, there. Boom. There it is. Sorry. A bit too excited. There, SMT there. This is it. And if this is a loss, then beautiful loss. Beautiful. This is the loss which I would be happy to take. Yes. Where would I go break even? I would honestly go break even at the clean highs, which is on NQ. Here, like this is more high resistance, I would say. Are these even clean highs? These are not even clean highs. What am I saying? Are these? Yeah, okay, never mind. These are. Okay, I'll go break even here, 152. And then this is my actual target. This is a target as well, but it's my actual target, but it's a 4.14. I'm always then taking 75% off then at 1 and 2. And then let the rest run towards the actual drawn liquidity. What time is this? 13:40. Don't have any crazy news, right? No, I think this looks like a beautiful setup. Okay. And then break even on ES. That would be on nowhere. Okay, so let's see. Oh, 4 this is a loss. Could be a re-entry. 2 minute. 2 minute. 3 minute. No, I don't see it. This loss is just beautiful, man. This looks very good. ES6 takes very clean lows now, though. 2 minutes. 1404. Could be a deep retracement. But we did disrespect this. ES did now as well. That singular gap. So it could go now with the ES taking out these very clean lows, but no. I'd rather look for a short stand. Yeah. And I don't see anything in here. Nothing, no. The manipulation, like, I always have this rule that I'm trading by, which is before we go higher, we must go lower. Before you go lower, you must go higher. If we want to go lower, you must go higher. I don't see anything of a clean. Yeah, okay, maybe this, but okay, maybe, yeah. Like here, but I would say we're trending towards these highs because we also inverse this. I would say these highs and then go lower, but apparently we wanted to do only these highs, and that was enough for us to go lower already. And then what time did we close here? Yeah, could have been like I'm on the not correct side of the market. If I looked for a short, then this could have been the short. Let's see, equal highs. Oh no, we took the high here, never mind. Would there be a short setup for me? No, there wouldn't even be a short setup. So I'm just on the wrong side of the market here. And that's totally fine. Space out. Okay, maybe it's just a weird market. I don't see anything here. Very clean eyes taken now, but it's way outside my kill zone. Let's see what the end of the day did. Yeah, nothing. Okay, so just 1L, but I would say this is more, yeah, it was this is just ranging back and forth, choppy. 1340. Took my first loss this entire month. Wow, that's crazy, man. Price action was choppy, yeah. And weird, man. New York, 1 minute. No, there was an SMT, right? No. Hello. No. Time entry. 1340. RR. 0. Unemployment claims, prelim GDP. And then medium. All 830. Alright, gonna end the session here. Trade view ultimate plan. Oh, if you want to trade futures, then you should also get the CME data. NQ, NASDAQ, SP 500, ES, sorry. All the futures charts, you all get it through CME. Like MNQ, micro, NASDAQ chart. MES, micro ES chart, and then you have ES and Q, of course. And then you can trade those. I have these on my chart, only use those ones. But yeah, futures, this is all CME, as you can see. COMEX, you also get that. Micro gold futures, gold, everything. The big ones, at least. Right, you also get COMEX, right? Yeah, you do. But yeah, man. Then CME data. Yeah, let's see. What a crazy month, man. One more trading day. Maybe trading that day. I will be, so maybe still a nice setup here. You never know. To my evals, I got halfway to profit target and took. I got halfway to the profit target and took too much risk. Oh, you blew them? The accounts, you mean? Or too much risk for consistency rule, you mean? Man, crazy month. Yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep though. End the session here. Thank you for watching, Matty. Jack maybe still here. T-Benz maybe still here. Matt maybe still here. Redso maybe still here. Maxi maybe still here. And then 2 other people watching as well. Don't know who you guys are, but everyone really appreciate that you were here. Honestly. Have a good night or a nice day. Thank you guys. See ya. Ciao.